lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this look right here, which is going to be a very easy and quick festive makeup look, which I think is completely perfect for the upcoming wedding or festive season. So if you are interested how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, we're gonna start from the eyes today, and for priming my lids, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Conceal. It is in the shade Pure Beige. I'll just apply it all over my lids and blend it out using my fingers itself. And once that is completely blended out, I'll move on to the eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I'll be using this dark brown shade which has maroon undertones to it, and I'll stamp that shade and create like a half wing on my eyes which ends in the center of my eyes. And once that is done, I'll move on to this shade. It is like a pink shade with peach undertones to it, and we're gonna just complete that half wing that we created. And also I'll just blend that brown shade as I go. You don't want to keep that brown shade sitting there for too long, otherwise it might not blend out afterwards and leave like harsh lines on the lids, which you don't really want. Then I'm gonna just blend it out even more with this light flesh tone shade, and I'm also gonna take it till my crease. We are basically just blowing everything out and making it look like seamless. Blending is the key, guys. Take your time with blending no matter what. Then I'm gonna just take this shade. It is like a peach shade, but it has some sheen to it. I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid, concentrating to the centers. Then I'm gonna just take these two shades, mix them too, and apply it on my crease area, and basically just blowing it out even more. Alright, so we're gonna just leave the eyes for a bit now and move to the face. And for priming my face, I'll be using Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel or basically whatever primer you have. That day my face was feeling really dry and dehydrated, so I just went ahead with an aloe vera gel instead. Once that has completely absorbed, I'll move on to the foundation, and for foundation I'll be using the good old Fit Me foundation. It is in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and clearly I'm just struggling to get it out. I like to blend my foundation part by part, so that way it ensures to give even application all over my face and also my neck, or else sometimes it may end up looking patchy and uneven, which doesn't really look good. Then we're gonna bring some colors back to the face, and for blush I'll be using this lipstick from Blue Heaven Incense. It is in the shade 01. If you know me, you know I don't mind using my lipsticks as my blush, so I'm just gonna do that. I'll just apply it on the apples of my cheeks, on my chin, and also some of it on the tip of my nose. I'll set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, but before that I'll just remove all the creases that may happen under my eyes, and I'll just set it with a brush. I'll just set it under my eyes, around my nose, and a little bit of it on my chin area. By the way, it is in the shade 15 Light. I'm quickly gonna bronze up my face using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. It is in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'll just apply it on the usual areas. And for the last time, I'll just take my damp sponge and tap it all over my face. This step will ensure to melt down all the excess powder that may be present on the face and make it look even more seamless and beautiful. Alright, now we're gonna just finish off the eye makeup, and for that I'll be using that pink shade and apply it on my lower lash line halfway through. I'm not gonna be taking it all the way to the inner corners, and I'll just spoolie my eyebrow hairs. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'll take that banana shade that we have in the contouring palette and highlight my brow bone area and also my inner corners. I wanted to keep my eye makeup very simple, but of course if you want you can glam it up or even switch up the colors or customize it according to your liking. I'll be finishing it off with some mascara. It's the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, and once that is done, what I'm gonna do is I'll take an angled brush and I'll take that same mascara and tightline the inner part of my eyes. This will make your lash line look more fuller without doing too much of an effort. Next I'll move on to the lips, and for that I'll be using the Blue Heaven lipstick and also L'Oreal Color Riche in the shade 232, and mix them two, and then I'll take that pink shade from the eyeshadow palette and tap it all over my lips. Try this trick, it will last your lipsticks for a little bit longer. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to check the description box below. I have included all the social media links in the description box, and also some of my videos, previous videos that you might have missed. So don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.